Hello. Welcome to Aesthetic Marvi. Showing you how to make rice water a simple, effective remedy for brighter, smoother skin. Let's get started. Rice water has been used for centuries in countries like Japan and Korea as a natural skincare treatment. It's rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can improve your skin's texture and tone. What you'll need to make rice water. 1. Half a cup of uncooked rice. You can use white, brown, or jasmine rice. 0.2. 2 to 3 cups of water. 0.3. A bowl. 0.4. A strainer. 0.5. A clean jar or bottle for storage. Step 1. Measure half a cup of rice. And pour it into a bowl. Rinse the rice thoroughly with water to remove any dirt or impurities. This step is crucial to ensure your rice water is clean and safe for your skin. Step 2. After rinsing, drain the water. Now, add 2 to 3 cups of fresh hot water to the bowl of rice. Stir it gently for a few minutes. This helps the nutrients from the rice to mix into the water. Step 3. Let the rice soak for about 30 minutes. During this time, the water will become cloudy as it absorbs all the beneficial components from the rice. Step 4. After 30 minutes, strain the rice water into a clean jar or bottle. You can discard the rice or use it for cooking. Your rice water is now ready to use. Store it in the refrigerator and it will keep for up to a week. Now, let's talk about how to use rice water for your skincare routine. As a facial toner, after cleansing your face, soak a cotton pad in rice water and gently apply it to your skin. Let it air dry. This can help tighten pores and brighten your complexion. As a facial rinse, you can also use rice water as a final rinse after washing your face. Simply splash it onto your skin and let it air dry. Mix rice water with other natural ingredients like honey or aloe vera to create nourishing face masks. Besides skin brightening, rice water can also help with other skin concerns. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe irritated skin, and its starch content can help reduce oiliness. And that's it. A quick, effective way to brighten your skin with rice water. Try it out and share your results in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more skincare tips. Thanks for watching.